So, we're upgrading the van for our next Europe trip through the eastern of Europe. We need to do some upgrades because last time we had some difficulties, especially with the small water tank. It was only for about 20 liters, and we had another 20 cold water tank in the back for the shower, but was not enough. So we're upgrading that to about 70 liters now. I need to fix the fridge drawer because that was not that good anymore, and also the floor needs to be glued again. Pretty confident that I will do that right this time. We're installing a warm shower outside with a gas boiler, so Bianca can wash her hair as many times as she would like. So stay tuned. So these are the appliances we're going to use. The big water tank, 30 liter additional. Also connection to the water tap. This is the glue we'll be using for the floor. The gas and the gas boiler for the warm water shower. Install the tank. It should be about just right, but need to get that piece of wood out. So this is the water tank, the new one, the grey water right here. This is the switch for the water pump, and now we can use the water tap. Gas boiler we're going to use at the back of the van to have some warm showers. So when we're going to use it, I need to connect the gas right here. This is the water output and water inlet, and when I turn this switch, when I run the water through here, it should automatically heat up the water so we can use it. This is the drawer of the fridge, and every time the bottom of the drawer is hitting this wooden panel, so I need to take a bit out and make it run smooth again. So this is the place where we have dinner, but there's a table supposed to slide out here, but it's stuck, probably because of the winter time when the wood was been shrunk. So need to fix that by aligning it again. So fix the drawer or the table, whatever you want to call it. That's hopefully you liked the video as much as I did. Make another video when we're in Slovenia of us using the water boiler when we have some warm showers. It's like 2 degrees in the Netherlands right now, so I'm not that keen about using the shower right now. So hope you liked it. See you on the next one. Koud, eh?
Yeah.
Here we go.
There we go.